Now let me ask you about what lawyers do and what people want. Do you act like a bulldog in every case?
I act like what the situation calls for. If I'm only a bulldog, then I'm only doing a small percentage of my job. A bulldog's not appropriate for every situation. A bulldog has one task and that's all they do. But sometimes I need to sit you down and talk to you honestly and make sure that you realistically understand your situation. If all I tell you is, we're going to go into court and we're going to beat them and that's all that's going to happen, I haven't done my job. If that's what you want, you can find a lawyer who does that. But I don't think I've done my job if I haven't told you all of the options and all of the remedies that are available to you and what the pros and cons are of all of your options.
In other words, if I'm hearing you correct, in some cases you negotiate the matter.
Sure.
And does it a lot of times come out with a much cheaper and better result if it's negotiated or settled?
Absolutely. One of the first things we look at is there an option short of filing bankruptcy? Can we find someone at the bank that we can work out a solution with? Can we find someone who represents that creditor who we can negotiate a payment plan with? Is there another option available? Chapter 11 is usually a last resort for us. And so if we can avoid a Chapter 11, we can help you keep the costs down. And we're very conscious of making sure you're aware of that option as part of our overall strategy.
Now, if you don't settle the matter, is it your goal to go to court to win the case?
My goal is not to win just for me. My goal is to get you an effective result. And that result is probably winning your case, but I need you to understand and what your options are. Sure, winning's great, and you can win 5 battles, but if you lose the overall war, I haven't accomplished anything for you. Great, we can go to court 5 times and beat the bank, but if at the end of the day, your business goes under and we've lost the battle, I haven't really helped you. So my goal is not necessarily to win, but is to get you an effective result.
And that effective result is kind of what you would say, that's an overall victory. We want an overall victory for the client. Is that a fair statement?
We want to win the war, not just the little battles along the way.